Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh. My name is Muhammad Shahir bin Sri Alai Shaharin and I am from Group 7. So today I would like to present our title Electromagnetic Spectrum. Let's proceed for the introduction. Okay. Project overview. The electromagnetic spectrum is the underlying framework that reveals the huge diversity of energy waves that pervade the cosmos, each with its own set of features and uses. This extensive paper digs into the complicated regions of the electromagnetic spectrum with the goal of providing a nuanced knowledge of its diverse components, the connections, and the numerous consequences for scientific discovery and also technological growth. Okay, next is the table of content for this title, for this project. Okay, there have four table of contents. First, problem statement. A problem statement is a concise description of the problem or issues a project seeks to address. The problem statement identifies the current state, the desired future state, and also any gaps between the two. Next, of innovations. Innovations and creative ideas are often integral to the success and productivity of a company. As an industry term, process innovation describes new methods that companies use to improve their production procedures. Okay, for the third one is contribution to public health. Different electromagnetic wave types are used by X-ray, CT, and MRI machines to create image of the inside structure of the body, which enable medical professionals to diagnose and treat a wide range of ailments. The last one is conclusion. The electromagnetic spectrum comprises a vast variety of electromagnetic waves, each with distinct characteristics and use. It is a fundamental and adaptable feature of the physical universe. Okay, let's proceed for the problem statement. There are certainly have three subtopics for this statement. First, integrating emerging technologies. Integrating new technologies such as 5G, IoT, and satellite is spectrum caused by the expansion of wireless device. Potential conflict between service and interference can decrease communication system performance such as radar system, military and civilian radar system operating in specific frequency range may suffer interference issues, impairing their ability to identify and lastly track object properly. For the third one is spectrum allocation and regulation issues. Balancing the needs of different users, industries, and service, ensuring fair and efficient spectrum allocation, and adapting regulation to accommodate evolving technologies. International coordination refers to countries' joint efforts enabled by organizations such as the International Telecommunication Union to allot specific frequency bands globally and prevent cross-border interference. Next, for designation or process of innovation. Firstly, we have radio wave. With a wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum greater than those of infrared lights. Radio waves are a form of electromagnetic radiation. Their respective wavelengths range from 1 millimeter to 100 kilometers, and their frequencies range from 300 gigahertz to as low as 3 kilohertz. Radio waves move at the speed of light. Radio waves are produced by lightning and celestial objects in the natural world. There are several types of radio wave and application. The numerous uses radio wave, for instance, there are numerous other gadgets in addition to the TV, AM radio, and cell phone. Additionally, it is divided into two categories. There are electromagnetic wave and also microwave. Firstly, AM radio wave. Commercial radio communications in the frequency range of 540 to 1300 kHz are carried by AM radio wave. Amplitude modulation, or AM for short, is the process of putting information on this wave. A carrier wave with a radio station's fundamental frequency, say 1530 kHz, is modulated in amplitude by an audio stream. The resulting wave fluctuates in amplitude but remains constant in frequency. They also have FM radio wave. Commercial radio broadcasting similarly use FM radio wave. However, it operates in the 88 to 108 MHz frequency range. FS stands for frequency modulation, which is an additional information carrying technique. In this instance, the audio signal modulates the frequency of a carrier wave that has the radio station's base frequency, possibly 5.1 MHz, to create a wave that varies in frequency but has a constant amplitude. Okay. Next, radio frequency bands. The relative wavelength of the middle bands can occasionally be used to identify them. As a result, medium frequency is also known as medium wave, high frequency as short wave, and low frequency as long wave. Although it's not official, we enjoy the designation. In Intermediate, the T corresponds to terahertz, which is the geometric mean of the band. In 12, 1 terahertz equal to 1012 hertz. And in trillion, which is also referred to as a trillion. Okay. For the next one, we have microwave, resonant cavity magnetic. Spinning polar molecules exposed to microwave radiation with wavelengths between 1 millimeter and 30 centimeter and frequencies between 1 gigahertz and 300 gigahertz. There are four. There have 4 points. First, cavity magnetron with resonator. Second one, radiation from the cosmic background. Next, radar, radio detection and ranging. Lastly, microwave oven. The electromagnetic spectrum contribution to public health and environmental safety. Radiation therapy for cancer treatment. Radiation therapy targets and destroys cancer cells in the body by using high energy electromagnetic radiation. Either an external source or an implant within the body directs the wave towards the malignant tissue. Radiation the therapy can successfully decrease tumor and limit the progression of the disease by administering precise amount of radiation to the malignant tissue. Although radiation therapy carries certain hazards, it is widely regarded as a safe and efficacious treatment modality for numerous cancer types. So this is electromagnetic wave have a lot of potential use in medicine in the future. For instance, research are looking into the application of electromagnetic wave in neurostimulation, which is the process of stimulating or inhibiting brain activity by means of electrical or magnetic fields. Treatment for diseases like epilepsy, depression, and chronic pain has shown potential using this method. New medicine delivery techniques, including employing magnetic fields to direct medication to particular body parts, may also influenced by electromagnetic wave. All things considered, electromagnetic waves have a plethora of potential applications in medicine that could lead to improved disease detection and treatment. Okay. Next, electromagnetic spectrum in medical imaging. First, X-ray. A diagnostic procedure called an X-ray creates image of inside tissue, bones, and organs on film by using invisible electromagnetic energy beams. X-ray creates image of inside tissue, bones, and organs on film by using invisible electromagnetic energy beams. Standard X-rays are taken for a variety of purposes such as bone injury or tumor diagnosis. In order to create image of the body, its organ, and other internal structure for diagnosis purpose, X-rays are created utilizing external radiation. Next, remote sensing and satellite imaging. Satellite sensor can gather image from anywhere in the electromagnetic spectrum, while human eyes can only see image in the visible region of the spectrum. Depending on the information required, each sensor uses different channel to capture image in different parts of the electromagnetic spectrum. For instance, using the invisible and infrared channel, the sensor would gather data on primary productivity. For the conclusion, uh, as a whole, the electromagnetic as a whole, the electromagnetic spectrum comprises a vast variety of electromagnetic waves, each with distinct characteristics and use. It is a fundamental and adaptable feature of the physical universe. Numerous scientific, technological, and daily phases of human existence depend heavily on it. There are many functions of electromagnetic spectrum that we can highlight in this research, such as in terms of diversity wavelength. There is a wide variety of wavelength in the electromagnetic spectrum, ranging from long radio wave to short gamma rays. I think that's all from us. Thank you.